Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. It's Warrior Babe here. Welcome back to all of my returning subscribers, and if you're new, make sure you subscribe before you leave. Welcome to the family. So today I'm going to be reviewing headband wigs from AFROANEW, such as the one on my head. Okay, look at how gorgeous this is looking. I will be comparing a synthetic unit to a human hair unit, so you guys can know which one you want to buy for yourself. So if you'd like to get the details on the differences and similarities between these two units, continue watching. Alright you guys, so these are both of the units, and for reference, the human hair unit is kind of like a color 4, which is like a little brown. However, the synthetic hair unit is like a jet black, just so you guys know which one is on my head whenever I'm talking about them. So both of the units come with the black headband that you can adjust in the back. They both come with 3 combs at the top, but the human hair unit comes with an additional comb at the bottom, while the synthetic unit comes with adjustable straps. Okay, so looking at both of them, you can see that the synthetic unit is more dense than the human hair unit. I really love big hair, so I am loving the synthetic unit. However, this makes it a bit harder to manipulate and style the unit. The human hair unit, on the other hand, is easier to work with. I can do multiple styles without ruining the curls. This is also why I think the synthetic unit came already fluffed out, so you can preserve the curls, okay? For the human hair unit, you can probably separate the curls a little bit more without doing too much damage. So AFROANEW sent me a few headbands that you can rock with this headband wig. I really love this headband wig because it just makes my life easier, okay? Number one, I don't have to worry about doing a ball cap method or using any kind of glue or anything like that. I just put this on and it eliminates the need for the elastic bands I always sew, because the headband itself is adjustable, so it lets you pick how tight you want this to be, so that just makes life easier. They're combining 2 in 1. They're eliminating the need for that extra security with the elastic band, and they're telling you don't need to waste all that time spraying stuff, putting on the glue and all of that. So overall, I just think this is a great addition to your wig collection. I'm in love with it, so I think y'all should definitely check out AFROANEW for their headband wigs, okay? And let me know how you guys like them, okay? And that's all I have for today. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. Don't forget to check out my other videos. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank y'all so much. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you guys next time on Warrior Babe. Bye.